Again, now coming to the 10th question. Child cuddling is now by replaced by mobile phones. Discuss its impact on socialization of children. Now, child cuddling, mobile phones, socialization. Now, there are again two ways to introduce this question. First is you can give some fact about use of phones. Multiple facts can be used, such as increase in increase in like number of per hour number of hours social media is currently being used in Indian youth. Multiple reports are there that can be used, or definition of socialization can be used. It is a process through which a society provides the values to a young children and condition in mind to function smoothly in the society. Again, it's a very sociology optional term. However, GS students should also be aware of at least the concept. So definition would be there. Now, child cuddling is replaced by mobile phones, and its impact is asked. So impact is both negative and positive. However, there will be more emphasis on negative rather than positive. Impact on mental health. Because of extreme content available, because of violent games available, mental health of children is deteriorating at a very high speed. There was a case of Lucknow where a young kid murdered his own mother because she was not allowing him to play PUBG. And that was not enough. He also hid his dead body of his mother, also tormented his young sister to not tell anyone, and threw a party in the very same house. That shows the impact on the mental health of young children because of availability of young mobile phones at a very young age. Exposure to explicit content. Now, on paper, there are multiple filters that are there so that young children, young minds do not get exposed to the things for which their mind is not ready. However, internet is a very, I would say, a place where young kids know how to get around, and from a very young age, they're getting accessibility to pornography and other such material, because of which childhood is getting lost. Third point would be exposure to predators. In this, we can give blue whale challenge where a person has to commit suicide. Fourth, hindrance in development of social skill such as intrapersonal skills, because major communication is going through social media. Impact on physical health. We have seen increase in blue rays into eyes. We are seeing change in posture of people because they are getting humpback towards their screen. We have also seen the cases of iPhone finger, where because of holding phone, the finger is getting slightly tilted. So there is also huge impact on physical health. I would say there is also a hindrance in uh, growth, growth, mental growth. According to a report, because of use of social media, there is increase in Peter Pan syndrome, where young adults are not willing to take responsibility and are behaving more like a children. Seventh, limitation in time spending with parents and grandparents. So these are the negative impact. Now, because impact was asked, we have to give some points on the positive impacts as well. First thing is language, lingual development. Because of internet, bec- because of internet, uh, because of internet, today even a village kid have access to same education material as a kid of metropolitan. Exposure to global values. Today, because kids or young minds have access to globalized TV content, globalized movie. So they have the values that are provided of women empowerment, of social development, of equality, that is being accessed by everywhere. Third, accessibility to relatives. Now, because of internet, mobile phones, and technologies like video calling, today a person sitting across the globe can connect very much to a person sitting on the other way around. So, children today have better access to connectivity with their grandparents, with their other relatives. So, I would say these are the certain positive outcomes as well. However, there should be major focus on impact. In conclusion, we can say that limiting the number of hours, parental locking, uh, limiting the number of hours, increase in educating young minds how to surf web. These are the multiple steps that will go a long way to decrease the negative impact and increase the positive impact of use of mobile phones by young minds.